Hi everyone, what's your plan for Mother's Day over this weekend? Today I'm going to share with you a stewed chicken with mushrooms. I tried to get the whole chicken, but they were sold out. Luckily, I got a pack of chicken wings. You can also use drumsticks. Stewed chicken with mushrooms in Chinese, 蘑菇烧鸡. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have about a pound and a half chicken wings. I already washed and soaked in water about 10 minutes. First, we are going to cut the vegetables. And I have 2 green onions for garnish. And 6 cloves of garlic. They're pretty big. You can cut in half. And I have bella mushrooms. But you can use button mushrooms or shiitake mushrooms, whatever you have. So same thing, cut in half. Next, let's take care of the chicken. First, let me take some paper towels. Put on my gloves. They're pretty clean. Pat dry. And to the cutting board. And we just need to make some cuts on both sides. Not too deep, just like that. And our ingredients, very simple, right? Very minimum. And we're ready to stew the chicken. First, I'm heating up my cast iron Dutch oven. And you can use any other pot to make this. You can add a little bit of oil. Now we add the chicken wings. We're going to brown the chicken wings. Now our chicken wings are getting brown. We add garlic, mushrooms, now we add salt, now we add hot water, so this way we're not interrupting the cooking. Just enough to cover the chicken. It's about 2 cups. Simple like that. We bring this to a boil. Turn down to medium low. Let it cook about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's open the lid. And turn the heat to high. So we'll let the liquid evaporate. It will take a few more minutes. Smells good. And let me just have a quick taste. It's good. It's a little bit salt. And last, we'll garnish with green onions. Our stewed chicken is ready. Smells so good. Let's try. Mushroom, chicken wing. I'm looking for garlic. Here's a piece of garlic. Come on. Oh. Chicken so tender. Great flavor from mushrooms. Still a little crunchy. Garlic falling apart. So flavorful. We basically keep this recipe very simple. We didn't add all sorts of sauces, and just highlight the flavors of mushrooms, garlic. It's so good, very simple. And please try to make it. I want to say happy Mother's Day to my mom, to my mother-in-law, to all the moms. Have a wonderful day on Sunday. I'm sending my love to all of you. I know it's hard time right now. Just be strong. Try to have a good day. Have a good time on Sunday. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.